Looking for an honest review of the Siglent Technologies SDS1202X-E 200 MHz Digital Oscilloscope 2 Review 2026? Let's dive in. The combination of the Siglent Technologies SDS1202X-E 200 MHz Digital Oscilloscope and a Trip Lite Smart 1500 LCD UPS Smart Battery Backup provides a complete solution for professionals, engineers, and tech enthusiasts seeking high precision, reliability, and uninterrupted workflow. In today's fast-paced electronics and IT environment, having a dependable oscilloscope alongside a robust UPS system ensures seamless testing, monitoring, and device protection against unexpected power issues. The Siglent SDS1202X-E is a professional-grade digital oscilloscope offering 200 MHz bandwidth and 2 input channels, making it perfect for observing intricate electronic signals with remarkable accuracy. Paired with the Trip Lite Smart 1500 LCD UPS, this setup safeguards your equipment from power interruptions, surges, and voltage fluctuations, providing both performance and protection in a single package. SDS1202X-E Digital Oscilloscope, 200 MHz bandwidth, 2 channels, 1 GSA/S sample rate, and 14 MPTS memory depth for capturing detailed waveforms. Advanced triggering includes edge, pulse width, and video triggering for precise measurements and signal analysis. High-resolution display, 7-inch TFT LCD color display with adjustable brightness, offering clear visualization of signals and data. Connectivity options, USB host and device ports for convenient waveform storage, firmware updates, and remote control. Trip Lite Smart 1500 LCD UPS, 1500 VA/900W power capacity, 8 surge-protected outlets. Thanks for watching. Check the link in description for Siglent Technologies SDS1202X-E 200 MHz Digital Oscilloscope 2 Review 2026.